Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh yesterday held a meeting with representative of 10 Dorbashnong of West Geelong constituency for illicit opinion on various issues confronting the constituency. Speaking to reporters, Lyngdoh said in the meeting, as part of the various developmental activities are concerned, the issue raised concerning water, power supply, LPG connections and distribution and road capacity traffic. The meeting also deliberately and discussed on rampant situation due to rapid growth of drugs users and drug traffickers in the constituency. The Hito Integrated Territorial Organisation, Hito, Southwest Khasi Hills District, yesterday inspected the civil hospital Mawkyrwat after getting complaints from the general public about the functioning of the hospital. Speaking to media after the inspection, working president of Hito, Southwest Khasi Hills, Bitnam Nongset, said that after getting complaints regarding the non-availability of medical testing facilities in civil hospitals like the X-ray, ultrasound, scan, endoscopy, etc., the Hito had demanded from the concerned authority to strengthen and equip the hospital by bringing in machines to conduct the different tests so that the hospital can function properly and the people don't have to go to Shillong for such tests.
Scanning X-ray hapo jong kaneka hospital nangba kaneka lat kan long ka jin ai ka ji sakri ka pakka bha nakabanda hi nongpang hapo jong kaneka kadong ka thang ka jomi.
The Nongpong area